The PTE academic exam is important for people who want to study or work in English-speaking countries. This exam tests your English skills. One challenging part of the PTE academic exam is the Reorder paragraphs section. In this section, you need to put sentences in the right order to make a paragraph. This can be tricky, but there are some helpful strategies you can use. Reorder paragraphs. Questions test your understanding of how paragraphs are structured. A paragraph is a group of sentences that are about the same idea. The sentences in a paragraph need to be in a logical order so that the reader can understand the main idea. This video from PTE Factory will give some interesting strategies to help you reorder paragraphs effectively. These strategies include identifying the topic sentence, understanding cohesion and coherence, and paying attention to chronological order. By learning and practicing these strategies, you can improve your chances of success on the PTE academic exam. The first strategy is to identify the topic sentence. The topic sentence is the most important sentence in a paragraph because it tells you what the paragraph is about. It usually comes at the beginning of the paragraph. Once you know the topic sentence, you can start to put the other sentences in order. For example, look at this jumbled paragraph. It is a major source of energy for many countries. Solar power is a renewable energy source. It does not produce any emissions. It is becoming increasingly affordable. The topic sentence is, solar power is a renewable energy source. This sentence tells us that the paragraph is about solar power. Once we know this, we can put the other sentences in order. The correct order is, solar power is a renewable energy source. It is a major source of energy for many countries. It is becoming increasingly affordable. It does not produce any emissions. The second strategy is to understand cohesion and coherence. Cohesion means that the sentences in a paragraph are grammatically connected. Coherence means that the sentences in a paragraph are logically connected. You can use transition words and phrases to create cohesion and coherence. For example, you can use words like however, therefore, and in addition to show the relationship between sentences. You can also use pronouns to refer back to previous sentences. For example, look at this jumbled paragraph. They can also damage crops and buildings. Acid rain is a serious environmental problem. It is caused by sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxides released into the atmosphere. These gases dissolve in rainwater to form acids. The correct order is, acid rain is a serious environmental problem. It is caused by sulfur dioxide and nitrogen oxides released into the atmosphere. These gases dissolve in rainwater to form acids. They can also damage crops and buildings. The pronoun they in the last sentence refers back to acids in the previous sentence. This creates cohesion and coherence in the paragraph. Section 4. Paying attention to chronological order. The third strategy is to pay attention to chronological order. Some paragraphs are organized in chronological order. This means that the sentences are in the order that the events happened. You can look for time words and phrases to identify chronological order. For example, you can look for words like first, then, next, and finally. For example, look at this jumbled paragraph. The company launched its first product. The company was founded in 2005. The company went public. The company expanded into new markets. The correct order is, the company was founded in 2005. The company launched its first product. The company expanded into new markets. The company went public. This paragraph is organized in chronological order from the founding of the company to its initial public offering, IPO. Section 5. Practice makes perfect. These are just a few strategies to help you reorder paragraphs. The best way to improve your skills is to practice. You can find practice questions online and in PTE academic preparation books. You can also get personalized guidance from Pearson Master Trainer Dr.Sudarsan at PTE Factory through online sessions. Contact details are given in the description box. Remember to stay calm and focused during the exam. Take your time and read each sentence carefully. With practice and the right strategies, you can improve your score on the PTE Academic Reorder Paragraphs questions.